Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Food Chain TV. So you're at the grocery store and you want to know how to pick a nice mango. Well, not only am I here to answer that question, but I'm also here to tell you that mangoes can actually talk.
Hi, I'm a mango.
And while I'd love to sit here for a couple of hours and talk mango, I do have to keep this video somewhat short. So I want to share with you some important points. And then I'll show you how you can learn to speak mango and become a mango whisperer. There are many varieties of mangoes out there, hundreds in fact. But if you're in America, it's likely that you're going to find the specific variety of mango at the grocery store, and these are called Tommy Atkins mangoes. And these are them here. They're the little red-green mangoes with a little bit of yellow on them. Those are the Tommy Atkins mangoes. So what you're looking for is a mango that's ripe, sour, and sweet. As someone that has spent the last few years growing my own mangoes, I've gotten to learn how they talk. And they talk through color and texture. If you know what you're listening for, a mango will tell you what's up. I even happen to have a Tommy Atkins mango tree right behind my house. So I'd like to think that I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so the first thing that you're looking for is feel. A mango that is not ripe will be hard. It's saying, I'm not ready to be eaten quite yet. It doesn't matter what color it is, if it's hard, it's not ready. A ripe mango will give a little when you press on it. Just like an avocado, it won't be totally soft, but it'll be just soft enough to let you press a little divot in it with your thumb. It's saying, okay, I'm ready to go. Alright, so now that you found the mango that's ripe, what does the color mean? Well, in my experience, the color will tell you a lot about the taste. Green tells you that it's sour, and red and yellow tell you that it's sweet. And in my experience, the more yellow that one of these mangoes has, the more sweet it will be. So, if you like your mango more sour than sweet, go for one that has a lot of green on it. And if you like your mango sweeter than sour, look for red and yellow, but as much yellow as you can find, because as I've found, the more yellow that a mango has, the sweeter it is. Now, if you found some nice mangoes at the store that were the right color, but they weren't quite ripe yet, you can bring them home and set them on your counter and let them ripen for a couple of days till they're soft enough for you to be able to press on them, and then they're ready to eat. Now, if you're in a hurry and you want to ripen them even faster, you just take a paper bag and you put the mangoes in there. Mangoes have something called ethylene gas, okay, and it is a chemical signal that tells the plant to ripen faster. Okay, so by sticking them in a paper bag, you're trapping all that ethylene gas that comes out of the mango, and the mangoes ripen faster. Did I say bangos or mangoes? Now, on the flip side, if they're already ripe and you don't have time to eat them, or if you want to slow down the ripening process, you just put them in the fridge and they'll hang out in there for about 5 days or so. Alright, so check this out. Now, ignore the black spots. These happen to mangoes, especially when you get them from a tree. I got this off the tree in the back. The ones that are like this usually commercially don't make it to the store. They go into frozen foods or canning or juicing or whatever, but it doesn't really affect the mango inside. Anyways, so this is a good example of a mango. This has some green. It's got that beautiful red. Okay, when you press on it, it's nice and soft. And look at all this yellow. Look at all these yellow streaks. Isn't this thing beautiful? So let's cut into it, because you know I like to taste everything that I talk to you about. Oh man, look at that. I can already smell it. It smells so good. Okay, I'm going to go for the best part right here. Oh man. Oh my god. Listen, you guys have to move to Florida and get yourselves a mango tree. Money can't even buy this. Oh man, this is so good. You know, I don't know what's better, a perfect peach or a perfect mango, but let me tell you, they're up there. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you guys want to help me, please subscribe, because the more subscribers I have, the more time that I can spend making videos like these just for you. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody that you know who loves mangoes, and I love reading your comments, so please post your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Christian saying I'm going to finish this whole mango, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.